Ever since I was a young boy, my father took me hunting with his friend and his son, who was a really good friend of mine. This trip became a yearly tradition and one of the most looked forward to trips every year of my life. It was a big part of these trips that instilled in me a passion for God's creation and all the activities in it. It was also a time to spend quality time with my father and friends. We built memories that I will never forget, learned skills I will always use, and formed character from the best father anyone could ask for. But just like the Colorado mountains I've grown up hunting elk in, life throws you storms and valleys that seem bigger than you think you can handle. But my father taught me that with God by your side and the support of family and friends, you can conquer anything. My father showed this strength as he had a short but fiercely fought battle for 6 months with terminal colon cancer. This last hunting trip was the first of these meaningful trips without the one who gave me the passion for them. So from this last trip forward, I will hunt in honor and memory of my father, knowing that at the top of the mountains, all the challenges, storms, valleys, and obstacles will all be worth the fight and the climb. As it says in 2 Corinthians 4:17 and 18, "For this light momentary affliction is preparing for us an eternal weight of glory beyond all comparison, as we look not to the things that are seen, but to the things that are unseen. For the things that are seen are transient, but the things that are unseen are eternal."